Talyor and Math by Maxim. School, ICSA. Once upon a time, in 2012 and 2013, there was a diva who was a billionaire. Her name was Talyor. She was a popular girl. She had math class at 8:57 every day, every week, every month, and every year. It was Talyor's favorite class. She loved math so much that it was the only thing she liked to do during the day. They had to learn Roman additions. For example, VII plus IVY equals ETC. She was the first in her class. She was in upper school, so she was in 11th grade. Suddenly, a girl called Amber asked Talyor to be her friend. Talyor accepted. After 2 weeks, they became best friends. Suddenly, a girl called Talyor came and said, "Get out of my way." A day later, she said it to her friends, and Amber screamed and said, "Talyor? She was my best friend before." But that was before. Before? Why before? Asked Talyor. "Because she was rude to me," Amber said. "But after she said sorry, isn't it?" asked Talyor. "Yes, but I didn't accept because she didn't mean it. She did it only because her brother forced her." In 2 weeks, it was her birthday. It was on the 4th March. After 2 weeks, on the 4th March, it was her birthday. She was finishing her homework silently in her bedroom. When she was finished, she went to the pizzeria. But there was no one. There were only gifts. Then her friends chirped out and said, and screamed, "Happy birthday!" Even on her kid it was written "Happy birthday." After many years, she was a teacher of 3rd grade. She was 22 years old, but then that school was too old for her, so she quit it. She went to a university. She taught math because she liked working in the math university. And she lived happily ever after with her son Justin, who was 16 years old, her daughter Simona, who was 4 months and a half, and finally her husband Skander, who was 22 years old. End.